The following presentation is a step-by-step installation guide of the Aerpro AEM1R digital mirror. For the installation of the AEM2R, the method is essentially the same with the addition of a forward-facing camera fixed to the glass next to the mirror. Let's start with a quick overview of the installation. Today's example will be performed on a late model Y62 Nissan Patrol. However, the procedure is relatively similar for vehicles such as delivery vans and utility vehicles with toolboxes fitted. First, let's start with a quick overview of the installation. The Aerpro AEM1 and 2R are a complete factory mirror replacement that mounts directly to the factory glass using the included Type 1 adapter arm. The Type 1 adapter arm is compatible with the following vehicles. A list of alternative adapters sold separately is included at the end of this video. We begin with the main harness, which supplies the unit with power and also breaks out to the camera interconnection points. Most late model vehicles have an auxiliary fuse box close to the firewall of the passenger compartment. Likely locations include under the steering column, behind the glove box, or even behind one of the kick trim panels. In the case of the Y62, the fuse box is located under the steering column. If there is no fuse box available, you may have to find a power source from the key barrel itself. The camera harness plugs into the main harness and is routed to the mounting location of the rear-facing camera. The harness's path through the vehicle depends on the interior trim design. Each installation is different, and so the path of the camera cable can change also. When installing the AEM2R, there is an additional connector in the main harness that connects to the forward-facing DVR camera. This camera is fixed to the windscreen using its included double-sided tape. Please ensure your glass is clean before fixing it to the glass. The following are some other example installation layouts for common rear-view obstruction applications. As mentioned earlier, the camera harness path may vary depending on the interior trim design. However, the included cable allows for a path of up to 8 meters in length. Please also note, when using this product as an always-on rear-view mirror, you do not need to connect the reverse sensing wire at the rear of the camera harness. Now, let's head out of the virtual space and into the workshop. Please note, as every car is different, we will not go into intricate details of this particular installation at hand. Rather, we will show you the general tasks required to complete this installation task on the Y62. This is a general guide of the overall requirements to install this product into any vehicle. If you feel this looks like a bridge too far for your current capabilities, most Aerpro retailers offer installation services. We highly recommend and often train our bricks and mortar retail installation partners in knowing how these installations are best performed correctly. Okay, so let's examine what this installer is actually doing here. The following is a brief tutorial on how to determine a constant power versus accessory versus ignition power source. If you wish to learn more about the Advanced Safety Vision Systems range, you may wish to click on the QR codes at the end of this video.